Hi, welcome to Boom. Today's tutorial focuses on a data studio session and using or searching brownfield land and how when you engage with various other layers such as planning, land titles and possibly things like conservation areas, etc., you can really start to drill down to understand whether or not those particular sites have any capacity for your pipeline. So we might start with an area to search, and we'll go with Old Street in London. That area is now rendering on the map, and on the left toolbar, panel number 5 is planning, and you'll see there Brownfield Sites is an option, and we've turned that layer on, as is notable from the active layers, and you'll see that there are a number of brownfield sites that are rendered on the map and are available in this location. So that's a good thing to know. What we'll do from the left toolbar, panel number 2, land titles, is that we'll turn that on, and in class of title we will deselect unregistered, we will deselect leasehold, and we will deselect rent charge. We'll apply that filter, and that will get rid of the darker blue areas, and as it is now presenting, provide us with simply the freehold land titles. And with this visualize on land titles, the land titles are shown in blue, which is good for the green of the brownfield sites because it allows us to interact with both. And considering the brownfield sites is the top data layer in the active layers, you'll notice that its boundary color takes precedence over the blue of the land titles. If we were to reorder those, it would be the blue that takes precedence. So that's something to remember as well, that by reordering the active layers, when it is that neither of them or none of the ones that are active are selected, you can reorder the precedence level. So as we can see here, we've got blue and we've got green, and the brownfield sites are the ones that we're focusing on. So if we quickly select land titles, that activates that particular layer, brings it to the top, and we can then interact with those land titles of the brownfield sites, and we can get further information about them. We can pick this one, for example. The land title pop-up comes up, and we can see there that it's the City of London, the mayor, that owns that particular parcel of land. For this one here, we've got the London Borough of Islington, the mayor of the Borough of Islington owns those titles. This one here is also Islington, so it allows us to understand the ownership around those brownfield sites. So what we can also do now is we can turn on the planning applications, which is again from the left toolbar. Most of the options are on the left toolbar, and the third panel is planning applications. We will select it, and we will go back in time so that we can pick a date or a date range, which allows us to account for large and medium-sized planning applications. We'll take January 2, 2017 to today, which is 27th of December 2024. We will deselect small, and we will apply those filters. We could actually drill down a little bit further as well. So we'll go into category, and we'll deselect trees, outline, heritage, telecoms, amendment, conditions, advertising. We might turn on outline and other, so we're looking at full and outline applications within that period of time, and that gives us a better understanding of the planning applications that may apply to these larger sites, and that will help us in drilling further down into those. So if we were to interact with planning applications, you'll notice there that there is some planning applications on that particular site. There's planning applications on this larger site here, which is for the Finsbury Centre project. There's 3 of those, and we can drill down through those as well. This one is for 3 blocks of 7, 8 and 20 stories, so that's a large development. So it's unlikely that those sites have got any pipeline possibility, but this particular site here, you'll notice that there is no planning applications for that period that we've set, and it may be a land title or a site that we can target. So if we turn on the land titles in active layers, we can get some information about that particular site. We see what's who the owner is, which is Search Grade Limited. If we were to click on that hyperlink, it would take us through to Company's House. So we could save that to the dashboard, and that is a potential brownfield site that we could target for our pipeline. Thanks for watching.